In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate objects in Adobe Illustrator. Rotating objects allows you to create dynamic designs and align elements with precision. The simplest way to rotate an object is to select it with the selection tool and hover your cursor near one of the corner handles. When the rotation icon appears, click and drag to rotate the object. This will rotate the object around its center point by default. If you want to rotate an object around a different point, you need to use the Rotate tool from the left toolbar. Select the object and activate the Rotate tool. A small crosshair will appear at the center of the object, which represents the rotation point. You can click and drag this crosshair to any location on the artboard to change the rotation axis. Once you've positioned the rotation point, click and drag the object to rotate it around the new axis. If you need to rotate an object to a specific angle, you can enter an exact value using the Rotate tool's dialog box. With the object selected, press Alt and drag the crosshair to the new location. The Rotate dialog box will appear. Enter the angle you want in degrees and click OK to apply the rotation. And that's how you can rotate objects in Adobe Illustrator.